here's my new to me 1941 Motorola 62T2 broadcast and shortwave band radio.
I don't know about college games is a little bit less than that. College is somewhere closer to
this is at the Dolphins-Chargers game that was just played at the Miami.
So yeah, the NFL game, that's probably about right.
So at this Dolphins-Chargers game, you probably get about an estimate of $20. Nathaniel Collier charged $724 for 2 beers because it was a walking vendor. You know, the guy thought that they wouldn't pay attention, and he almost got away with it. Until the bank statement...
Those damn kids.
It worked for those damn kids,
It worked for that damn bank statement.
The bank statement reflect... Well, of course, you know, the victim of the crime, the Suds crime is what it's called, received an alert saying, oh my God, you just got $724, extracted from your bank account. What the hell's going on? And then also the bank statement provided the name of the person, the actual vendor. Like, they didn't know the actual vendor's name, so how were you going to be able to get your money back unless you couldn't be able to take it to a civil suit? Well, they found Nathaniel Collier. Yeah.
210-777-1111 y él con mucho gusto te va a ayudar.
Talk about that already. Southern Kingdom, but then the other ones were Assyria. Assyria wiped them out. And when Assyria wiped
setting in. They're tired of always fighting and always having to defend.